I like the yellow Jello. Welcome back. In this lesson, we're focusing on two sounds that are easy to confuse: the y sound and the j sound. To make the y sound correctly, your lips should look like you're smiling, and your jaw should be relaxed. The middle of your tongue rises towards the top of your mouth, but it doesn't touch. It's a smooth gliding sound, almost like a vowel. Let's practice. Yeah, yeah, yes. The y sound can be spelled with the letter Y, like yellow. The letter U is in use, or the letters EW, like view. The j sound is a little more tricky. At the beginning of the j sound, your lip should be pushed out a little bit, and your tongue should touch the top of your mouth. As you make the sound, your jaw will drop a little bit, and your tongue drops too. Let's practice. J, j, j. Jello. The j sound can be spelled with the letter G, like Jim, the letter J, like Jello, or the letters D, G, E in words like bridge. Let's practice some minimal pairs. Yellow, Jello. Yet, jet. Yell, gel. All right, your turn. Let's practice some sentences that have both sounds. The jet flew over the young yellow yard. Pause the video and practice the rest of these sentences. Start slow and speed up as you feel more comfortable. Let's try a few more. Yesterday's yellow jello jiggled in the jar by the gym. These sentences are really tough. Don't worry if it takes a couple of times to get them right. Keep in mind that the y sound is a smooth, gliding sound, and your tongue doesn't touch the top of your mouth, like yellow. Whereas the j sound is a stop, then release. The tongue does touch the top of your mouth, and then it releases with a quick burst of air in words like jump. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps you say words with the y and j sounds more accurately. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more pronunciation lessons, and I'll see you next time.